Kashi Vishwanath Temple is one of the most revered and sacred temples in Hinduism, located in Varanasi, also known as Kashi, the spiritual capital of India. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, the temple enshrines one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, making it an important center of Shaivism. The current temple was rebuilt in 1780 by Ahilyabai Holkar, the Maratha queen of Indore. It is said that Shiva himself resides in Kashi, and those who die here are granted moksha by him. Located very close to the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, the Annapoorni Temple is dedicated to Goddess Annapoorna, an incarnation of Parvati, the consort of Lord Shiva. Annapoorna means the goddess of food and nourishment. According to legend, once Lord Shiva told Parvati that the world is an illusion and food is just Maya, illusion. To teach him the importance of food, Parvati disappeared, causing the universe to become barren. When Shiva realized the essential nature of food, Parvati returned as Annapoorna Devi and fed the world. This temple thus represents the divine aspects of nourishment, sustenance, and the essential nature of food in human life. Temple practices a tradition where free food, prasadam, is served to all devotees, symbolizing the generosity of the goddess.